Imagine what I am fixing to get into today. We got us another honeybee hive that is in a porch column. So I gotta take all this stone off to get access to these girls. So yeah, scaffolding, hot day, high UV, working on a cutout. You just gotta love this job. Stick around, let's see what we find. Alright, I got the first few rocks off. You want to see now just how far I gotta go down. The reason I can't really use the thermal imaging on this one, the way the sun's hitting the rock, it's distorting all the heat signature. So we gotta go old school and look at it with the camera. That bad. It is a very small hive. I should be able to get it with what we got right here. Coming off. Fall on us. Put the camera up. Fun times. Fun. this one. This one goes deeper than it looks like. So, let's see how much further down I gotta go. There's the end of her. It's a little bit longer than I anticipated, but we still got to it. So now it's time to put those tools away. We'll get the vacuum and hive and start collecting bees. That has got all the comb put into the new beehive. As you can tell, we have pretty much no activity here at the column. We got a majority of the wax scraped out. The bees have already started finding the new hive. These frames with rubber bands, that's their actual comb. There's just a little bit of scrap left. Ain't much I can do with it. So they're starting to reorientate right now. And now I'm fixing to take the bees that I actually captured and put them put these girls in the new hive. Down there. And we can see them wanting to go into the box. We'll give it just a minute here. Let them get reorientated. Well, let's get everything situated now. We're just going to let them sit here for a few more days and get reorientated to the new box before I start the reconstruction. You can see we have no interest in the cavity now. We have very few bees in the actual air. Most of them are reorientating to the new box. So that's a good thing. This one wasn't that bad. So I'm gonna get off here, get out of this heat, leave these bees for a few days, come back, and then reconstruct all of this mess. So when we're done, you shouldn't be able to tell that we was even here. Alright, we've got the hive relocated. Today we start all on putting everything back together, making it look just like we was never here. Stick around, see what we get into. Is a done deal. Y'all see what it looks like now. And as you can see, we have no bees. We have the hole sealed up. Everything put back together just the way it should be. So now it's going to be time to take this scaffolding down, put the gate back together, get everything loaded, and on to the next one. And we have the completed column now. You see it's getting nice and dry and clean. hopefully y'all enjoyed that. And I'm gonna take just a minute here and rant. There are a lot of beekeepers out here that attempt to do cutouts. Just be aware of what you're getting into. And this is more to the beekeepers. You're taking on a big liability. And a lot of this has to do with insurance and the licensing to do actual home repair. That's where we come in. We have that business license, we have that insurance that allows us to do this. So it's good education, good to see what goes on into this kind of work. But at the same time, I do not recommend anybody getting into it until you have thoroughly researched all the responsibilities and liabilities that go with it. So we're going to get off here. Hunter is loading up the last of the scaffolding. We've broomed off the patio and washed everything down. We're going to get everything loaded up, and we are going to get to the next job. So until next time, remember, God is good.